If you're a CEO today, your life is, well, intriguing. The world is changing. There are more things affecting the competitiveness of your business than ever before. Remember what it was like to have full transparency? Let's face it, those times have passed. As your company evolves, the complexity of processes increases exponentially. If you don't have sufficient and adequate information on your production, costs will increase and efficiency will drop. What should you do if you see that development stagnates and you don't know where the problem is? Epic InnoLabs creates order and shows direction in the complex, confusing world of industrial digitalization. As experts, we'll help your business run more efficiently with the tools of digital manufacturing. As soon as we start working with you, tasks at hand immediately split into two, to the things we do and the things you do. Things we do. We assess the performance of your company based on your needs. We prepare a plan for industrial digitalization. We work out the details of practical implementation. Things you do. You work together with world-renowned experts and researchers for better, increased and cheaper production. Things we do. We examine the relation between your existing data sources. We run layout and material flow simulations and optimize your production line accordingly. Things you do. You'll start seeing your factory from a new perspective. You'll know exactly where the bottlenecks were in your production. Things we do. We run workflow analysis. We explore the possibilities of robotization. We make production or maintenance predictions. Things you do. You do what you love. You run your company and make decisions, better, more efficient, and backed by the most accurate information and predictions. Working with Epic InnoLabs is like having an in-house team of select experts and researchers who provide complete, innovative and personalized consultancy and solutions in the field of Industry 4.0, production planning, industrial data analysis, integrated robot and sensor systems, and research and development. Every detail of your factory is connected. We'll work alongside you to show you how you can use these connections to your advantage. And you can be sure that to us, even the smallest detail matters.